Lower it slowly, watch the guide pin.
We built the future, piece by agonizing piece.
Okay, slow descent, we're almost seated. B, check the alignment pin.
Pins in.
Contact in 3, 2, 1. We are secure. Cranes, stabilize the load. We need clearance on the hydraulic line. Adjust the coupling immediately.
Yes, Supervisor, we are on it.
Everything starts with heat. Raw metal is melted and carefully shaped once it reaches a fluid consistency. It is cooled, reprocessed, and transported deep into the factory. Here, human labor comes into play, and ordinary metal begins to become part of something much more complex.
準備はいいかな。はい、でもう少し右にね、ゆっくり下ろして。
Where precision meets power. Every piece of steel is meticulous.
Pieces, each one crucial to forming the marmored body.
Before a structure of this scale can be assembled, its most critical and delicate components are prepared individually. Each part is measured, inspected, and made ready by skilled workers, because the reliability of large systems depends on the precision of their smallest elements.
Easy now, just a little lower. Clearance are nominal. Engaging the mounts, we are secure. All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the clearance on the right. Got it. Slowing the descent now. Welding on the upper joint.
Roger that. Proceeding with weld.
ゆっくりじゃそのまま。よしよ、正将、ボルトを緩めてす。
Hold position on the crane. We need final clearance on the starboard side.
Confirmed. Holding steady. ゆっくり上げてください。右を確認ジャイクス。はい、そのままーす。
第3プラットフォーム、黒色の線まで移動してください。
イエタと右サムのクリアランスを確認だ。
問題ありませんね。固定しますが。
Slow rotation on the mark. Watch the clearance. Clear on the left side, coming down. Alignment looks good. Lock it down.
Aligning panel 3. Hold your position.
Once the body assembly is complete, the process moves to the next stage. At this point, the construction of the arm systems begins, one of the most complex parts of the structure. Each arm component is installed step by step to ensure precise integration with the main body.
そこを持ってこうしてよし固定して
torque wrench engaged on port gamma.
Confirming alignment. Run the sequence.
これを確認してください。
はい、大丈夫です。
よし、右口確認です。よし、左確認です。下ろしますよ。
As the heavy machinery moves into place, the team assesses the alignment, knowing the installation has only just begun.
虹合わせ、よし、レンチ起動だ。
Guide it down. Secure the clamps. Welding complete. Looks good.
During the internal cabling stage, workers must operate in extremely confined spaces. Limited gaps between thick armor panels restrict movement, making every connection more difficult. As a result, cables are installed one by one with great care and physical effort.
Keep going, I'm almost through on this side.
Okay, I got it.
Lower the beam another meter.
Watch the sparks on the starboard side.
Visibility looks good from this angle.
Yes, the sidelines clear the primary console mount.
We can sign off on this section.
All structural mounts are secure. Cross-reference with the schematic.
Confirmed. The main conduit looks good. We are ready for screen installation.
Secure that conduit before I start riveting again. All right, it's locked in place. A little more to the right here, please. Okay, securing it now.
After the control system is successfully installed inside the head unit, the production process moves into the next critical phase. At this stage, the motor systems that will power the structure begin to take shape. Engine components are manufactured on separate lines and developed to integrate precisely with the main body.
The internal frame is now ready. Technicians perform the final checks before the heavy armor plating is added.
Okay, easy now. Lowering 5 centimeters. Watch the starboard clearance.
Copy that, holding steady.
With the massive propulsion motor now firmly in place, the final adjustments begin.
Ensure the gauge measurement is accurate before transport.
It is within the specified tolerance.
ピン渡せるぞ。よし、撃た。
Ensure the tension matches the schematic specifications.
Once all assembly and system checks are complete, the process reaches its final stage. At this point, the structure receives its final paint coating, protecting the surface and bringing the machine to full readiness.
お待たせしましたね。点検完了ですの。
はい、お疲れ様でしたね。
Watch the downdraft. Secure the waste anchors now.
Anchors engaged.
Ground team is clear. Ready for lift.
Touchdown confirmed. Cables released. Roger that. Securing the area now.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe.